Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Today we are going to do an experiment to show and to check the density. First of all, can anyone tell me what do you mean by density? Yes, Faiza? Yes. So here we will check the density. For that what we require? 2 glass water, 2 lemon of same size, salt. Now what I will do? I will put 1 lemon in the glass which has water in it. Yes. So, what do you observe here now? What do you observe? Yes, Atif.
Lemon sink in the glass which has tap water.
Yes, very good. So, what we are seeing that the lemon has sink in it which has tap water. Now what I will do? I will put 2 spoons of salt in it. I'll put another lemon in it. Now what are you observing? Can anyone tell? Yes?
Lemon float.
Yes, the lemon floats in the glass which has salt. Now why this happens? Because here which has the water, the density of water is more. The density of the water is less as compared to the lemon. Lemon, that is the reason why the lemon sink. And here when we add the salt, the density of the lemon is less, and because of the salt, the density increases in the water. And so the lemon here floats and the lemon here sinks in the water. Okay, thank you all of you.